Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Xbox Series X from offline system update step by step clearly. To restore your Xbox Series X from an offline system update, ensure you have a USB flash drive ready. Format the USB drive to NTFS on your computer. Download the offline system update file from the official Xbox website. Extract the contents of the downloaded zip file. Locate the folder named $System Update. Copy the $System Update folder to the root directory of your USB drive. Safely eject the USB drive from your computer. Turn off your Xbox Series X completely. Plug the USB drive into a USB port on the Xbox Series X. Press and hold the pair button and the eject button. While holding those buttons, press the power button on the console. Continue to hold the pair and eject buttons for about 10 seconds. You'll hear a beep, and the console will attempt to start up. Release the pair and eject buttons after you hear the second beep. The Xbox should now boot into the offline system update process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. Once finished, your console will restart automatically. After rebooting, check that everything is functioning properly. If needed, you can reconnect your console to the internet for further updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.